Butter's melting slow like a gold caravan. Tomatoes are ripe, the knife hums a tune. The skillet's singing, it'll be ready soon. Oh, we stir, we laugh, we dance, we play. A pinch of salt keeps the blues away. Pass the bread, pour the wine, let the stories parade. It's love we're cooking, this kitchen serenade. Steam in the air, a symphony's rise. Chopping and chatting neath twinkling eyes. Spices whisper secrets, they know the way. Turning simple things into a grand ballet. The clock can't wait, no rush to dine. It's the laughter that seasons the time. Oh, we stir, we laugh, we dance, we play. A pinch of salt keeps the blues away. Pass the bread, pour the wine, let the stories parade. It's love we're cooking in this kitchen serenade. Clatter of plates, a crash of cheer. Spilled soup, spilled secrets, a night's veneer. But oh, the flavors, they forgive the mess. Each bite's a memory, a sweet caress. Oh, oh. The skillet, hear it sing. A little oil makes it swing. Chop, 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 the rhythm's tight. Kitchen's dancing, what a sight. Sizzle and stir, let the flavors fly. A pinch of this, a dash of why. Taste the joy, let your spirit try. Sizzle and stir, let the love multiply. Garlic whispers secrets bold. Tomatoes blush as they unfold. Steam's a poet rising high. Every spice a lullaby. The heat's a muse, the time's our tune. Cooking magic under the moon. Sizzle and stir, let the flavors fly. A pinch of this, a dash of why. Taste the joy, let your spirit try. Sizzle and stir, let the love multiply. A little salt, a little sweet. Victories in every beat. Bitter never stays for long. Every taste belongs in the song. Multiply. Flour on the counter, sun in the pan. Butter's melting slow like a gold caravan. Tomatoes ripe, the knife hums a tune. The skillet's singing, it'll be ready soon. Oh, we stir, we laugh, we dance, we play. A pinch of salt keeps the blues away. Pass the bread, pour the wine, let the stories parade. It's love we're cooking in this kitchen serenade. Steam in the air, symphonies rise. Chopping and chatting neath twinkling eyes. Spices whisper secrets, they know the way. Turning simple things into a grand the laughter that seasons the time. Oh, we stir, we laugh, we dance, we play. A pinch of salt keeps the blues away. Pass the bread, pour the wine, let the stories parade. It's love we're cooking in this kitchen serenade. A clatter of plates, a crash, a cheer, spilled soup, spilled secrets. The night's veneer, but oh, the flavors, they forgive the mess. Each bite's a memory, a sweet caress. The skillet, hear it sing. A little oil makes it swing. Chop, 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 the rhythm's tight. Kitchen's dancing, what a sight. Sizzle and stir, let the flavors fly. A pinch of this, a dash of wine. Taste the joy, let your spirit try. Sizzle and stir, let the love multiply. Hey! Hey! Garlic whispers secrets bold. Tomatoes blush as they unfold. Steam's a poet rising high. Every spice a lullaby. The heat's a muse, the time's our tune. Cooking magic under the moon. Sizzle and stir,